morning everyone. We are still on our Europe road trip. We're currently in Croatia right now, and on today's episode we are heading over to Montenegro to explore the town of Kotor and go on an Alpine coaster. We had a really decent night's sleep again at this park up. We heard some wolves actually for the last 2 nights, which is a little bit scary, not gonna lie, but they were quite far away, so that was good. Some amazing views, amazing sunsets, and now we're hitting the road. And as always, thanks again to eSIM.sm for sponsoring another one of our videos. If you guys need an eSIM, go check them out because they are the best in the biz. I keep forgetting how border crossings go, so I never know like what to do, or like to give passports or anything. But we're just about to cross into Montenegro now. Pulled up at the side of a road next to a petrol station, and now we're going to walk over to Kotor. It's like the old town. It was a really nice drive over here. The thing is, like, we could have taken a ferry. Oh, who's this? Hello.
There was an option to get a ferry across the bay, but the drive was worth it, so much better.
Yeah, it was really beautiful, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Even though it was only like, I think, €8 to get across. We'll catch you guys when we're at the old town. So apparently Kotor is famous for having like almost as many cats, or even more, than how many people live here. Already we've seen 1, 2, and they also have a cat museum, so we are going to go and see that because I think that would be funny. But first, what we're going to do is go explore the town and yeah, go grab a coffee or something because I'm struggling a little bit with the tiredness. Kind of wanted to go to a cafe, but there were just so many cafes to choose from, and a lot of them were taking cash. I picked up this, and now I'm just literally just sitting on the step, eating and drinking my coffee. But this town is so beautiful. This is so good. I think it's like a sort of like a milfay style thing, but from Kotor. Connor approves. We're going to come back and try and find a cafe to sit at, but we're going to go to the cat museum first.
Seems to be like a big theme here, so.
Yeah, there's so many cats. Very demure.
I thought it was a statue, but
it's a real cat.
It's a real cat.
This is like the oddest place that we've ever been. There's just like cats everywhere, like pictures of cats, postage stamps of cats.
We've got cash of cats.
Cash cats. That's a song dedicated to a cat. That was the weirdest thing I have ever been to. Like, it was just like 2 rooms just full of cat pictures and things with cats on them. I thought it was gonna be like stuffed animals, maybe like something like that.
I don't know what we was expecting, but it was
€1. And also
it was pretty weird, but
the euro does go to the cats to feed the cats of Kotor, so you know, just yeah, helping the cats out. We've just parked up and here we are on the side of the road. We're about to go on a cable car all the way up this mountain. I'm super excited because at the top we've got an activity booked. It's called the Alpine coaster, and it's like a roller coaster, gravity fed roller coaster, I think it is. I know, it's gonna be exciting. So we'll catch you when we're in the cable car. Wow, Connor, we're gonna be
Crazy,
high.
I've never been on one.
Yeah, it's a little bit shaky. I don't know, do these doors close?
I hope so.
Oh, there you go. Imagine we'd just have half of the cable car open. Oh my God, look at that. We're gonna be going so high, Connor. Whoa. Ooh.
Wait, what?
I hope it's not this shaky the whole way up.
It seemed so slow, and then it was like rapid.
This is the first time I think I've ever been on a cable car before. I can't actually remember, but wow, this is weird. Feels so weird. God, let's get a heights as well.
This is scary.
There's the van.
Yeah, I don't
Oh
know
my
why
God,
anyone would do that.
Amazing.
That was
that's
stressful.
why.
That is cold up here.
It is. It is freezing up here, and now I don't have a jacket. The roller coaster thing, which is just over there. This is going to be fun. This is what we're going on. Just got on to the coaster. I'm so excited. It's a bit cold though.
Damn, didn't actually realise how high this was going.
I'm clutching this phone so hard. I'm just gonna go full. I'm gonna full send it.
Oh my God. Yo.
Oh my God, that was insane. That was so cool. This is so crazy!
That was so much quicker.
This is the coolest thing ever. If you are ever in Montenegro and you want to go to Kotor, you have to do this. Just bring a jumper because it's very cold. Oh my God, that was so fun!
Yeah, that was so good. That gondola ride, don't worry about that. But that roller coaster thing, crazy.
Yeah. So I think what we're going to do now is go down and go to the van and find our park up for the night, because we kind of want to go and have some dinner, dinner out somewhere. So we're going to, yeah, we're going to go do that. So we'll see you when we're down there. my sweet angel. Hi. Just don't bite me, please. Oh, I think it's people from over there. But we have just parked up in the park up for the night, and here we are. We're gonna go walk over to the beach now, check it out, see what there is there. So hopefully tomorrow we can go for a swim. But yeah, I'll catch you guys over there. Hello. We've got someone who's joining us for our beach walk. I think he got shy now that I pointed him out. But it looks like a really nice sandy beach. And we're gonna get an amazing sunset tonight as well. We're having our barbecue over here, but the dogs are patrolling. Waiting there for the scraps. Good morning, everyone. We've just woken up to an absolutely beautiful day in Montenegro. We're just gonna have a coffee by the beach. There it is. The beach literally stretches on for miles. And this is the first sandy beach we've been to, and the waters actually look really nice. And it's not too cold, actually. I think in Croatia, the waters look a lot more blue and a lot more sort of clearer because the pebbles are white.
Mara's making a lunchtime tagine. We got potato, chicken.
Yeah, I'm very excited.
So basically, I was looking for water. I tapped to fill the van up because we've ran out of water.
Yeah.
Didn't find any water, but I cut through over the bushes over there because I went on like a big circle and I wanted to cut through to get back quicker. Found €10 and €50.
That is insane.
So I made 60 quid.
60 quid or just been parked up here. So guys, if there's any people asking how we make money on the road, we find it. I've got the board out. Let me show you the new addition. We've mounted the GoPro at the end, so when I go surfing, you can see it. The only thing is,
not many waves.
No waves.
So it's a paddleboard today.
Yeah, we left our paddleboard in the UK because we didn't want to carry too much weight, but we thought maybe we could give this a try and see if it paddleboards. Definitely not its intended purpose, but I hope it works.
I wonder how hard it's going to be.
I don't know. Oh, the water is pretty chilly. I hope it's not too hard, and I hope it doesn't sink. Okay. Right. Oh, sinking quite a lot. Ah. Okay, I don't think this is gonna work. It's a lot more balance. Ah. Let me try in the middle. Okay, this is not really working. Okay, this is not working. Let me see if I can stand up. No. Oh no. Okay, surfboards are not paddleboards. I think I'm gonna have to give up. If anybody knows any good places to go surfing, let me know. I'm going to be going through Albania, Greece and Turkey. Basically, we haven't found anything surfable yet. Yeah, really want to try this board out. I thought it was going to be today, but it's not. I'm gonna go for a little swim, actually. You're back on the GoPro. It's like the shallowest water. I'm sitting down. Oh, this isn't too bad, you know. The water's so nice. Beautiful.
Hold your head back. Relax. I don't believe you. It's hard to fall in as well. Literally stretching. A sandy beach. Montenegro.
So we're just having a little stroll by the beach, but we're gonna park up for another night here. And then tomorrow we are heading over to Albania. Oh, it's actually been a really nice time in Montenegro, and we didn't ever think that we were gonna be camping here, especially wild camping, because I don't know why we thought it was a little bit harder.
Yeah, to be fair, like we thought we was just going to do a day and drive straight through, but we've done a couple of days here and it's good. I think we need to see, maybe we'll do it on the way back. But yeah, we're going to head into Albania next, so there'll be a couple videos in Albania.
But yeah, I'm really excited about Albania. We've got a few things and a few park ups that we really want to go to, and some food.
We've got a lot of swimming and eating in Albania.
Yeah,
that's what we want to do.
Oh, there's a mosquito right there on you. Oh gosh,
there's one on me there, look.
Let's hope we make it to Albania without getting too bitten. The mosquitoes here are insane. It's gonna be such a nice view tonight. But I also just want to say a massive thank you to everybody who's watching, everybody who's commented, liked, subscribed. We appreciate you all. It's been a crazy journey, a crazy 10 months. 10 months ago, I put my first post out on YouTube, not thinking anything of it, thinking that maybe a few people would watch it. But now there is 22,000 of you. So thanks and cheers. But yeah, I can't wait to do so many more adventures, so many more van builds as well.
We're excited about the van build, especially this next one. I won't say what it was, but we're not saying.
Yeah.
But we ordered a pop-top roof for it, which is very exciting.
Yeah.
We got we're just excited about it.
Oh my God, Connor's getting attacked by like 3 mozzies. Yeah, we've got a pop-top roof coming for it. We're gonna order some stuff before we come back to England, so that everything's ready, so we can start doing this van build. We're super excited. Let us know what you guys think that the van's gonna be down in the comments. I can neither confirm or deny, but you guys will be finding out a lot sooner than you think. So yeah, thank you so much, and again, if I don't get eaten by mozzies, I'll see you guys in Albania.